So guys, if your skin is heavily damaged because of sun exposure, if you have pigmentation, tanning, or if you have small bumps on your skin, this video is totally for you. So I'll be sharing a DIY and a short routine so you can follow it. Once in every 3 days should be good enough. For the first step, obviously you need to clean your face. You can use any face wash that you want. Like I've said for a billion times on my channel, I love the Good Vibes Tea Tree face wash because it has antibacterial benefits. It's also great for people who have acne, and it's a very gentle foaming face wash. So it's very good if you just want to keep your skin clean, right? So anyways, just take a bit of face wash and add to this a few drops of lemon essential oil. By few drops, I just mean 1 or 2 drops, not more than that. Lemon essential oil is great for dealing with pigmentation and also helps in dealing with uneven skin tone. Apply this face wash, wash your face regularly, and then wash it all off. Then for the next step, we'll be making a quick face pack. For this, first we'll take some orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is very rich in vitamin C, helps in dealing with pigmentation, tanning issues, and also helps to brighten up the skin. We'll also be adding just a pinch of amba haldi powder, which again is great for brightening up the skin. It also has antibacterial benefits. It also helps to clear up the skin beautifully. To this, we'll add lots of milk. Milk has lactic acid, which helps to give you a more even skin tone, deal with sun tanning issues, and it's also great as an exfoliator. You can also add a few drops of neem oil, especially if you have dry skin, because neem oil is absolutely fantastic when you want to repair and heal your skin, right? And by the way guys, the neem oil I'm using here is from Good Vibes. I know a lot of you have been telling me that Prachi, the Good Vibes neem oil is always out of stock. I'll also put a link for the Wish Care neem oil. You can check that out as well. Both of these neem oils are really good, okay? So going back to the DIY, mix all the ingredients, apply this all over your face, all over your neck, and wash it off after about 15 to 20 minutes using cool water. Once you're done washing off your face, your skin will instantly start feeling a lot more fresh. You might even start seeing your skin looking brighter and just looking better because the skin is more clean right now. And after this, apply a serum if you want. Vitamin C serums, by the way, are very good. I've done a separate video talking about serums, how to use serums, how to use vitamin C serums. I'll put the link for that in the description box below. And lock it all in with a light moisturizer. I have dry skin, so I'll be using avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, and it's great for keeping your skin supple and happy, and also helps to heal your skin in the long run. So guys, there's a very simple routine, and honestly, there's something which you can do once in every 3 days. This face pack includes some very powerful, very potent and amazing natural ingredients. And by the way guys, all the ingredients that I'm using today are either from Good Vibes or Al's Goodness, like you might have noticed, because these are the brands which I use. These brands are cruelty free, made in India, so why not? But feel free to use whatever else you want. I'll put the links for whatever I have used in the description box below, and I'll see if there are any sales and offers going on. I'll put that down in the description box below as well. And yes, that's about it guys. That's all you have to do. So try out this routine. Let me know after 1 or 2 tries how it has worked out for you, what difference you're seeing on your skin, because I know it will work really well. If you have tanning, pigmentation, or small bumps on your skin, it will help you a lot. So yes, that's all I want to share in this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.